How to find your wallet ID on HFM. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your wallet ID on HFM quickly and easily. First of all, launch open your HFM application on your device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside the home page of HFM, go ahead and click on the menu button at the bottom left corner, and from the expanded menu, you will see your wallet ID at the very top. Tap the copy button right next to your wallet ID. Your wallet ID is a long string of numbers which is usually 8-digit long. After copying your wallet ID, paste it somewhere safe or write it down in a piece of a paper. You'll need it for deposits, withdrawals, or support inquiries. So there you have it. That is how you can find your wallet ID in HFM account easily and quickly. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.